In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude Code. Make your first iOS app step-by-step guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to prompt Claude to draft a simple Swift UI starter project you can open in Xcode and build on. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to Google. This is just the quickest way to get to the official Claude site if you don't have it bookmarked. In the Google search box, type Claude AI and wait for the results to load. You're looking for the official Claude website. It should clearly show the Claude.ai domain. If you see ads or similarly named tools above it, scroll until you find the authentic link so you land on the right place. Click through to the Claude website and open a new chat. You'll see a message box where you can type your instructions. This is where we'll give Claude a clear, structured prompt to generate our iOS app. Paste or type the following in one message so it understands the full context. Act as a senior iOS engineer and generate a simple Swift UI app called Starter App with one clean screen, including a title, a short description, and a button that toggles text or an emoji. Also include an overview, a simple app plan, the full code, steps to run it, and a feature versus what it does table in Markdown. That single prompt tells Claude exactly what to build and what supporting materials to include, so you don't have to chase missing pieces later. Feel free to adjust the app name or the wording of the description if you want a different theme, but keep the structure the same so the response stays organized. Now click Submit to send the prompt. Give Claude a moment to think. It will typically respond with a neatly formatted overview, a brief plan of the app, and then the complete Swift UI code for a project named Starter App. You should also see clear run steps and a simple table mapping each feature to what it does. The generated code will include one clean screen with a title, a short description, and a button. Tapping the button should toggle between a bit of text and a friendly emoji, which is perfect for validating state changes and UI updates in Swift UI. Once the output appears, read through it from top to bottom. The overview and plan give you context. The code is ready to copy into a Swift UI project, and the run steps outline how to build and launch it. That's all you need to get your first Claude-powered iOS starter app off the ground.